Hello there, good afternoon. Well, many of us have seen some rain in the last 24 hours, and that's helped the pollen levels significantly. In fact, the pollen index today between about 5 and 7, so much more comfortable. Obviously, we had those very high levels of up to 10 during the latter part of last week. Now, it has been rather fresh as well, with a northwesterly wind coming in behind this cold front. That northwesterly bringing us a fair amount of showers in the north. It'll still be with us tomorrow as well. But then this low coming out of the Atlantic will come into play. That's going to gradually creep in from the west. As it does so, it does look set to bring a spell of cloudy, rather wet weather midweek before it gets killed off. And then later in the week, pressure builds very nice whole of the UK. In fact, towards the end of the week, it looks like many of us will enjoy some dry, quite sunny and reasonably warm weather. So temperatures will be on the rise then as the winds ease off and pressure builds. We'll really notice the change, I think, from about Thursday onwards. The deeper oranges start to take over and many places enjoying temperatures of 21 or 22 Celsius. Well, back to today then, we've seen a cold front clearing through quite quickly from the south. It's fine and sunny now in many southern counties, but the clouds are building up further north. We've already had a fair amount of showers across Northern Ireland and Scotland, and really still through the rest of today there'll be plenty of showers in the northwest. Those coming in on that blustery northwest wind, even a risk of some heavy and thundery ones in northwest Scotland, but a few more will develop across the Pennines, down into the Midlands and into Wales as well. Now, a fresher feel for all of us, temperatures around about 10 to 12 in the Highlands, but still I think a few places in the south up to 20 degrees. Then through tonight, well, we keep that blustery northwest wind going, still feeding in a few showers around the coasts, but inland it will be much fresher than we've seen for a while. In fact, maybe in the Glens of Scotland a touch of grass frost as temperatures dip to 4 or 5 Celsius and a much more comfortable night to sleep in southern counties. Then for Monday, then still that blustery wind, still bringing us some showers, especially for eastern parts of Scotland and England. In the west, though, I think the showers easing off, especially during the second half of the day with a lot of sunshine. In fact, quite a calm night on Monday night, giving us a fine start to Tuesday. But then this little fellow starting to wind itself up, bringing that rain eastwards to all parts during Tuesday and Wednesday. Could even be some heavy rain moving into the west by the end of Tuesday. Then that'll give quite a wet night for many of us on Tuesday night. But I think during the course of Wednesday, the emphasis will be on things improving from the west. And that means that for the rest of the week, it looks like many of us will enjoy some fine, dry and sunny weather. Bye-bye.